Okay, class, let's talk about using Excel to calculate percentiles. So as you know, percentiles measure the approximate percentage of values in a data set that are below a value of interest. So if we look at the information that's given on the screen, this is the numbers are the total seconds 15 customers at a PNC bank took to complete their credit card or their ATM transaction. So this is the amount of time that customers took to complete their ATM transaction. And so if we wanted to calculate, let's see, the 70th percentile for these transactions, and we want to use Excel to do that, all we have to do is say equal to, and then percentiles.ext, right? So we calculate all the transactions, we capture all the transactions, and then we said the 70th percentile .70, hit enter. Then we would know that 70% of the transactions fall below 122.4 seconds. And that's all it takes in order to calculate percentile using Excel. If you have any questions, please email me or we'll discuss it in class. Okay, so piggybacking off of percentiles, let's talk about percentile rank. And so this file that you see here is a file that's provided to you by your book, and this is percentile rank file. This can be found inside of Canvas. And what it does is it provides the credit scores of several customers. So if we were to look at these credit scores, and let's just say we wanted to look at John's credit score. So John has a credit score of 777, and that puts him in the 84th percentile, right? So that places him above at least 16 people in this group. But if we wanted to talk about how that works and using Excel to do that, this is what we would do. So this is equal to percentile rank.ext, right? So again, we'll choose our array, which is only the numbers. We're only using the quantitative data, right? And then our X would be the 777, because that's John's credit score, right? And then the significance is the number of decimal places we would like to search for. So we're going to say 3 decimal places. Now, when I hit enter, then I now know that John's percentile rank is actually 82.3 percentile. Again, if you have any questions, we will discuss this in class. All right, so finally in this video, I want to cover quartiles. And most of you know quartiles is when you divide a data set up into fourths, right? So you have a first quartile, a second quartile, a third quartile, and the fourth quartile will be all encompassing. So if we talk about quartiles, we talk about it in terms of mishandled bags. So the data set that you've been given is the number of mishandled bags reported per 1,000 customers from 1995 into 2012. And during the month of July for the largest U.S. air carriers, right? So if we want to talk about first quartile, then we would use the Excel function quartile.ext. So here we go. So I would highlight my array again, only the quantitative data, and I'm going to hit this F4 so it freezes it, right? And then for the quartile, I'm going to put 1 because that's my first quartile, 25th percentile. Here we go, right? And then if I want to do it for second quartile, this is equal to, and I guess I didn't put the 1, 2, and 3, so we'll just have to do it the long way. This is equal to the quartile.exe, my array, and then this is my second quartile. And then finally, third quartile. And it's as simple as that. So if you have any questions, I'm available for discussion during class. So good luck. Hope these videos help.